Hello, it's video 30. It's the last day of the challenge. You've did all of the videos up until now, hopefully. So that means that you have all the very basic tools that you need to do data analysis with Python using pandas. So this final video is not a tutorial. It is a challenge. It is the challenge. And I've supplied you with an additional data set that you've not seen yet. It's from AppTweak, which is a App Store ranking data set. And what I want you to do is to create another notebook, load in the data, load in the libraries, load in the data, inspect everything. Then I want you to make a series, which is of an average of all the day's data that you have in AppTweak. Then I want you to join that new series with the Majestic and the Play data to combine to one big data set. Then I want you to remove any missing values or replace them if you think appropriate. And then I want you to draw some cool graphs. Show me something about the data in the graphs that I didn't know. Or maybe I did know, but it's nice to know that I was maybe right. So that is the challenge. That is the end of the 30-30 Python challenge. If you do this and you do it within 2 weeks of this video being released, then and you get it right and you draw something cool, then I will send something nice to you in the post. Fair? All right. Congratulations to all of you who actually did this and stuck with it for the entire 30 days. Well done. It's not easy to do that. But it takes 30 days to change a habit, and that's why I did 30 days. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. There'll be more stuff like this coming up. Yeah. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video, whatever that is. Ciao.